This is my eldest child, my eldest daughter and eldest child. He's a lawyer. To them, many years in the city of Lane. You know, that's why I don't like the fly.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about the marriage of our brother. We marry our king daughter, you know. So I see somebody they talk say when the Davido go greet our Oba, say he no lead down, he's supposed to lead down greet him, you know, say he's not supposed to stand the way that they stand, you know. So I believe say maybe they feel lead down, maybe they not video that place, you understand. If it be say they lead down but they not video that particular place, now wetin me I reason o because I know say some people not let them talk too much, like seriously. When some people too they talk, you know. So if it be say they lead down now, we don't know. You understand, because they not video the thing finish. You know, so now half wey they put for Instagram, now there for carry the video. So if I still see the video, I go still put am, because some people, many people come the verse. They're supposed to lead down, they go greet our Oba, now our king, our great king. They suppose anybody who want greet and they lead down. You understand? Even when Choma they greet our queen, he stand they greet them too. You understand? For me, maybe I don't say anything wrong for that Choma, but people say no, that is supposed to lead down, greet our queen, like our queen. You understand? You know, say we not they use our do king and queen till they play. So maybe the see do one, we not see the video, because they cut the video small. They go video that thing long. Just that say we not see everything, my people. You understand? So many Edo people verse put. They say they're supposed to lead down, greet our Oba. They're not supposed to stand. You understand? And that one are truth, you know. So I can't say in case of next time, more the video the thing way, may we they see well, you understand. But the marriage was really like massive, like seriously. That marriage na gbas, my people not be small thing. See money, Kobana chief prince. That guy want use money finish there. Now bundle, he just the spray bundle. I beg, that marriage na the azine. Now one of the big marriage for this year. Not be smart. I've been at Destiny Bagua. That one throw away money like say tomorrow. No, they even Davido come embrace them. Say, don't people now want finish us like I bet that marriage was massive. We can't wait for Davido and Choma, because Davido talk and say 2023 with Choma that he get him. My people, I am so happy when I see 12 they don't settle back, 12 they don't reconcile back. I was so happy, you understand. Everybody love Choma. A very quiet and calm girl. Since when they tell you separate, I never hear any bad thing for her mouth. I never hear any interview say she will come talk. Now so Davido do this, now so Davido not do that. You know, say every relationship quarrel must dey sometimes. You understand? That quarrel, una will can't really miss each other. You can't see and say, this Choma na person when I want to. Choma will can't see reason and Davido na person when I want to. And she not gonna even fool herself around. She was so calm and still patient, waiting for Davido to change. Una remember Two-Face that time too. After Two-Face don't go play around finish, he still come back to Annie. He still come back. You understand? I feel reason I'm saying this one where Davido they do off her own, so he go still come back to Choma and they can still really come back. I am so happy for them. I am so happy for them. Congratulations to Choma and Davido in advance, and our brother we marry. I am so happy. Congratulations to your marriage. Congratulations, because that marriage now school where we not they go finish. Now marriage be na endurance. If you feel endure, you go stay marriage. And so marriage be my people. So make we happy for people wey dey happy, not be and then we'll see more for people wey dey more too. This one na happiness. May we happy for them. May we share the video. You understand? May we share them so that make everybody, the whole world, see wetin dey happen for inside Abule. Thank you, my people. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye. Hey, confidence.
Touchdown. I beg any do that.
Davido, the great musician, the great singer. You're welcome. This is my eldest child, my eldest daughter and eldest child. He's a lawyer. Today, many years in the city of Beni. You know, that's why I don't like to fly.
Start from 18 children, 17 children, 16 children. No, not just when you reach the number, you move. Don't move here too. Just so you know, the drinks coming to your tables right now, well packaged, traditional and contemporary, is from not among those that will pick the money. Do not pick. If you pick the money, will pick you. Be very careful. And also, before you come out to spray, check under your shoes if you have stepped on a chewing gum.